everyone. In the jingly-jangly jungle, there are lots of sounds. The hoots and honks of the jungliest bit. The tinkly-tonkly waterfall in rocky Walkyville. And in the long grasses of Savannah Land, the gentle sound of... Oh, hello, Rara.
Did I make you jump? Did I? That was my loudest roar!
Well, yes, it was quite loud.
Roar!
Now, where were we? Ah, yes, the gentle sound of the wind.
Oh, hi, Topsy. I'm listening to the wind.
Really? I can't hear anything windy.
It went like this.
I think you find the wind makes a noise like this. Swish, swoosh, swish.
Wow! I can do a wind noise. What?
You're a rara, and raras make rara noises and do rara things.
No, I can make other noises and do other things too.
Oh. But it was a good try though. Rara, come back. Oh dear. I hope I didn't upset him.
Swish, 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 swish. That's a good noise. Wow! Hello, Oo.
Morning, Rara. Just a moment. Hooray! Hi, Rara. Did you see my super duper swinging?
I can do super duper swinging too. Watch. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oof. I can do what you can do. I can be an oo too. Oo, just like you. Whoa! Ah! Whoa!
Good morning, Rara.
I'm not Rara, I'm Oo. I can do what he can do. I can be an Oo too. Oo, just like you. Oof.
Oh.
Oh, tangly tails.
Hooray! Hey, look at me!
I wish I could swing like Oo.
Don't worry, Rara. I can't swing like ooh either. But I can swing my trunk, see? And I can toot my trunk. Toot toot!
I can do a toot too.
Try to toot like me. Toot toot!
Snoo! Snoo! Oh, I wish I had a trunk to toot.
Lions don't have trunks. Only elephants have trunks.
I want a trunk too. I could do what you can do. I can be a toot toot toot, toot toot, toot toot, just like you toot.
Why does Rara want to be someone else? Oh, maybe Topsy will have the answer in one of her books. Toot toot! Toot toot! Toot toot! Toot toot! Hello, Topsy. Can you help? It's Rara. First, he was trying to be an oo-oo, but he couldn't do it. And now, he's trying to be a Huffy, and he can't do it either.
I told him he was only good at making rah-rah noises and doing rah-rah things.
He's getting very upset.
He is? Don't worry, Huffy. I know how to make things better.
Snarr! I can do a toot. Snarr! I need the trunk like Huffy's.
Oh, what have you got there, Rara?
A trunk for tooting.
Rara, that wasn't a toot.
No, it sounded like... Woohoo! Hello, Rara. I'm not Rara. I'm Huffy.
That's funny.
Oh.
Rara, are you okay? Rara.
Hello, Crocky. Have you seen Rara?
Yes, but he said his name was Huffy. Oh dear.
Which way did he go?
That way.
Come on, all aboard.
Toot toot! Hey, wait! Wait for me!
Poop. Poop. I can't do what he can do. I can't be a toot toot too. Toot toot. Toot toot. Not like you toot.
What's the matter, Rara?
Hi, Zebby. Topsy said that I can only make rah-rah noises and do rah-rah things. So I tried to be like oo-oo and Huffy, but it's not easy.
You just have to keep trying.
I have tried. Topsy is right. I can only do rah-rah things.
But that's a good thing.
Why?
Because you're Rara and you're special. That's right. No one can Rara like you can. Isn't that right, Huffy?
Woo-hoo-hoo.
See? Huffy can't Rara like you. And Crocky can't be as fierce as you.
It was a good try, Zebby.
Go on, you show them how it's done.
Hooray! Who can do what I can do? You can't be a rah-rah too. Rah-rah, rah-rah, rah!
When it came to rah-rahing, Rara was king of the jungle. And just to make sure, he spent the rest of the afternoon rah-rah-rahing through the jingly-jangly jungle.